Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your GrubHub application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end. Now, to download your GrubHub on your Android device, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in GrubHub and make a search. You're going to see GrubHub application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, open the application and that is how you will be able to download a GrubHub application on your Android phone. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.